Hello everyone, my name is Ivania. I study in pre-KG. My school name is St. Phenomenus Group of Institution in Chandapuram branch.
National symbols.
National symbols.
Father of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National emblem.
Royal capital.
National flag.
Royal flag.
National flower.
Lotus.
National animal.
Tiger.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National bird.
Peacock.
National fruit.
Mango.
National vegetable.
Pumpkin.
National calendar.
Sacred calendar.
National book.
Bhagavad Gita.
National game.
Hockey.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National river.
Ganga.
National flag color.
Saffron. White. Green.
Rivers of India.
Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Maganadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilnadu, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Dashavataram of Lord Vishnu.
Dasavatar of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Purma, Varaha, Narasimha, Varana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Five oceans.
Five oceans: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Seven continents of the world.
Seven continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, South America, North America, Antarctica, Australia.
Seven colors in rainbow.
Seven colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Indian festivals.
Their festivals: January 26, Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Maheshwaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Mogara, Good Friday.
Five senses are done.
Five senses are good: nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Days of the week.
Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Months of the year.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Thank you.